This is my 2023 Toyota Tacoma, and yes, I bought it for $13,000. The cost of the truck was $13,300 to be exact. This deal sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm going to give you all the info and you can make the decision for yourself. As a bonus, I'll even tell you my little secret on how I will own this truck for free, and better yet, I'm going to get paid to do it. Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Modified Crew. Before I can give you the details of the deal, I need to show you the truck. This is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR Axis Cab 4-cylinder 2-wheel drive. I know, I can already see the comments flooding in about why not the V6 or the 4x4, and I have two words for you: budget build. The pricing on trucks is crazy nowadays, and with that being said, just getting into the truck market is difficult for some people, and I'm here to show that it's possible to own a nice truck for a reasonable price. When I bought the Tacoma, it was less than a year old from the date of manufacture and had only 6,035 miles on it. The Toyota currently has 7,396 miles on it. This is my second Tacoma I currently own, so I haven't had the chance to drive it as much as I'd like. But now that it's dialed in the way I like it, it's going to be my daily. Keep in mind, my truck didn't look like this when I bought it. Let's just say I've added some personal touches, mods, and some assembly was required. Enough about the truck, let's get to what you all came for. Before I ever started making YouTube videos, I noticed a lot of the car channels I enjoyed were buying their vehicles in the same place. It didn't matter if they were on the East Coast, the West Coast, or in a different country altogether. The same name just kept coming up. If you're in the know, you might already know where I'm going with this. I purchased the truck online from a vehicle auction called Copart. They are a worldwide vehicle auction that specializes in crashed and salvaged title vehicles. So yes, this truck has been in an accident, but before you click away, I want to remind you that some of these vehicles can be in great shape and some of them can require very minimal work. The best part is, if you're smart, you pick an automobile that is damaged on the parts you were planning on upgrading anyways, which is what I did. If you want to know more about Copart, I have separate videos on my channel that you could feel free to check out anytime. Today, I'm going to show you the easy way to sign up with Copart. All right, guys, here we are at Copart. I'm going to show you how to inspect a vehicle at Copart. My winning bid was $13,300. The cost of California sales tax and Copart fees was $2,542. Gotta love those California taxes. The cost to have the truck shipped to my location was $275. So this is what the truck first looked like when I purchased it. It had a light impact on the front passenger side. None of the airbags were blown, and pretty much all the damage was to the fender, front bumper, grille, and headlight. Seeing as I wanted to upgrade the front of the truck before I purchased it, this was a no-brainer for the exact truck I wanted to buy. A word of advice: make sure to do your homework when buying from an auction such as Copart, because you want to make a smart investment instead of a financial mistake. I bet you want to know how much it costed me to get the truck to look like this. So let's get into it. When I purchased the truck, it was completely stock. Here's a list of all the parts added, not including tax. Headlights were $586. Taillights were $390. Third brake light was $195. I know it's pricey, but it was one of the best on the market. Fog lights were $63 and harness for $19. TRD style grill, $87. Raptor lights were $14. TRD colors were $9. Graphics were $149. Red Eye badges, $42. Door side emblems, $23. Tailgate inserts were $22. Bed mat liner, $109. Lift kit, 2-inch in the front, 1-inch in the back, $124. Wheels were $600. Tires, $452. Lug nuts, $51. Installation and warranty was $159. Ceramic window tint was $200. Shift knob was $19. Carbon fiber dash overlays were $20 and $21. Dash inlays were $9. AC vents were $15. Seat covers, $130. Front tow hook brackets were $31. Tow hitch with all connectors and harness were $306. Repair parts, fender was $169. Front bumper was $152. Hood I got for free. Alignment, accessories, and random repair parts, $481. Paint and supplies, $220. So all in, for all repairs and upgrades, the total cost was $4,867. If you're still with me, I promised my secret on how I would be able to own this truck for free and even get paid for it. So here's how it works. Let's say I buy this truck for $13,300 and add in $2,542 for taxes and fees. Then add $4,867 for repairs and upgrades. Lastly, factor in all certifications and DMV fees of $509. If you add together all the costs associated with this truck, I have spent a grand total of about $21,218. So let's say I enjoy this truck for a while, maybe 1 to 2 years, then resell it. I have gotten such a good deal on this truck all in that I am able to sell the truck for what I have into it. This isn't just in theory. I have done this process multiple times with the same formula. So plain and simple, I'm into the truck for $22,000 or less, and I sell the truck for around $22,000, which means I in turn actually own the truck for free. So here's how I actually make money on owning the truck. The best part is I get to earn income from YouTube and also claim these expenses on my taxes. Plain and simple. I sell the truck for what I paid for it, and then I make my money on YouTube and claim it on my taxes, and there's the additional revenue. So in the long run, this Tacoma will actually cost me nothing, but I get paid to own it. So in all, I have paid less than $22,000 for my Tacoma, including the cost of the truck, mods, taxes, fees, and registration. Let me ask you this. Do you know of a better deal on a Tacoma this nice? Would you rock this truck for 22 grand? In my opinion, you would have a hard time finding a newer, better looking truck for the money. In closing, it's by the blessings of God I'm able to make these videos and enjoy these cars. And I just wanted to take this last moment to let you know that there is a God in heaven that loves you. Thank you for watching.